Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see the range is narrowing a little bit here on either side of 4,200. So they make their move. You know, maybe it's flagging, maybe it's, it's certainly tired. It's pausing here in and around 4,200. But I continue to maintain what I said yesterday. Unless the bears get proactive and start to press price to the downside, you're going to see, an eventual move up towards those all-time highs. A nice start for the bears today would be to hold yesterday's high, 42.1275, and try to break yesterday's low, 41.7925. That probably gets us a retest of the 20-day, which is coinciding with the 9-day down at on the continuation chart. It's about 61.5, 62 area. Hourly chart, you can see the consolidation. A little bit of a move up. They tried to take it down and then right back into this area in and around 4,200. 77 still a problem for the bears, and the bulls need to take out these highs. And there you can see the 9-day. That's actually two lines down there. The 9-day and the 20-day are just jammed up right there. 62, call it 63. Volume weighted average price is 97.5. Hourly mid, call it 95. Daily pivot 93.5. 5-minute mid and the proprietary moving average are at 98. So 93 to 98 is going to be a battle zone this morning. If the bulls win that, you can expect another attempt up at 42.04, which is where things 42.03, 42.04. We had it stall out a couple times this morning, 5:30 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. If they can convert that area, then they can test the 12.75 from yesterday. If the bears can convert through 93, they have a chance to press back down towards the low from late in the day, 79.25. Try to take out that pre-FOMC price at 77. Pretty straightforward. I mean, we're going to battle over 4,200, and somebody needs to take advantage. Could we stay here another day? Sure, absolutely. But the way the day sets up, these days tend to have clear winners and losers, these types of days on some of the proprietary stuff that we follow. So I am looking for, it's not a certainty that it's going to move out of that consolidation zone, but I'm looking for it to move. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trading well. Come check out the room. I'll talk to everybody tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.